Hi, Marvin with the FieldView team, Product Marketing Manager here in Canada. I really like the FieldView app for scouting in the field. I can go out, pull up my fields, drop pins, take pictures, add notes, monitor areas that I need to monitor in a number of different fields. But in the office, the app doesn't always meet what I would like it to do. So that's why we have added enhanced scouting to climatefieldview.ca, where you can see, drop pins, do things on the website that we can do within the apps. Let's go there now and I'll show you how this all works. So here we are at the website, climatefieldview.ca, and we're going to start by logging into our FieldView account. So we enter in the email address and password for FieldView, and that will take us to our landing page, which shows the farms that we have in our region. So to see where we would find these new scouting enhancements on the website, we would select a field, and I'm just going to switch gears so that we get some imagery, and you can see our imagery show up. So first off, on the left-hand side, we have our list of images, and it shows us a little bit more information. So we have our low biomass amount, we have rainfall and GDUs for from our planting date, if we've collected that with our FieldView drive or we've created a manual planting or seeding layer. And also over here on the right hand side, we're giving you the percentage of each area in the field, not just the low biomass, which is red, but each of the different colors. We're giving you the percentage of the field that falls in that color range. And then lastly, down here at the bottom, you can see that we have the ability to drop a pin in the field. So I select the pin, go to a spot in the field where I want to drop it, drop the pin, add a title, add a note, change it to green, and hit submit. That will save the pin in that location. So now, thinking about it, maybe we get the image, I've got a scout that I have on my farm, or as a consultant, I want to send a scout to the field. I can create where I would like that scout to go ahead of time, and these pins will show up in the FieldView apps. So I don't have to do this on my iPad or my phone. I can do this from my desktop or laptop computer. So if I would like my scout to go to these spots in the field, hit submit. In blue are new places to go, and when the scout turns it green, I know that the scout has been there and maybe added notes. So now I can select that, see the notes that may have been added, and go from there. I can also add a region. So if there's a region that I want to track, so maybe down here we want to track this region through the season, I can also create that region and save that note, similar to the way we would do that in the apps. I just want to go to a different account for a minute and pull up a field just to show, what happens when pins are collected in the app and what that means when I get back to my computer. So you can see here back in 2017, we have a number of pins dropped. If I select that pin, it's pulling up the date. There's a picture that's been added, etc. So I can go back and review that when they're added in the apps, which is really nice that when I'm reviewing, maybe I'm planning for the upcoming season, I can go back to this field, I can access these pins, find out what was done in these areas, look at pictures that have been taken, and help create my plan for the upcoming season. So I hope that these new enhancements around scouting and looking at our imagery and dropping pins and viewing pins is helpful to you as you use FieldView on your farm. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and look for more to come to climatefieldview.ca and our apps in the future.